Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to backup Active Directory domain controllers. Beside backup file server, Active Directory domain controller is another thing that we need to be configured because it store everything, or we can say that it store the database of object like user, organizational units, and the other services. Okay, so to configure this, you need to go to Tool and then you choose the backup, Windows Server backup. If you doesn't have this, you have to add here, add row and server, add row and feature, so you can have it. In the previous session, I also teach you on how to add the service. Okay, so it will be list down all the backup if we have any schedule. Okay, so to do the Active Directory backup, you can go to backup schedule or backup once. In the previous session, I already backup the file server. For my recommendation, it's better for you to backup a schedule, yeah, because we need to make it incremental. But in this lesson, I will teach you to backup one, mean I want to implement it. This one, it also asks you schedule option or different option. So I want to run the backup now. I choose different options. Okay, so here it also asks you whether you perform full backup or custom. So if you full backup, you will backup everything in your Windows server, like your data, your application, and system state. Okay, everything. So for me, I backup only Active Directory domain controller. So I choose custom and then add item. So here you choose to backup Active Directory, you choose system state, you click OK, and then you go to advanced setting. Here it has VIS setting. This one is refer to volume shadow copy services. So it have two options. If you choose this one, mean that you are not using other product to backup. Like if you don't have Verita, you have Synback Pro, or you haven't Vim backup. So this one is recommend. But if your data, you can see, choose the option if you are using another product to backup. Okay. So for me, I choose the built-in backup provided by Microsoft. So I choose full. Okay, and then click next. And then this will ask you whether you store it in local drive or store it in the remote server. If you don't have another remote server, you can store it in local drive and then you copy to place in like Windows 10 or your QNAP. And if you want to store it in another like NAS, like network attached storage, including of QNAP, okay, and also another DC2, you choose this one. This one through network. So I choose local drive. I store on the server. So I'm going to store, let's see which drive. Okay, I'm going to store it in drive E. Okay. So I choose drive E. Continue. And we perform backup. In this step, it will be analyze. Okay. Analyze how many size we consider the size of the system state. So this one, it will be calculated for us. Okay, it will be calculated. Now as you see, we have select VSS, like VS backup, so it like the shadow, like it will be duplicate. During it check, you can also see here. Okay, we backup item in drive E and exclude we don't have. Okay, and we have advanced option. Okay, VS copy backup destination. Okay, in my server. Okay, backup music. Okay, here also. Okay, this one it will take a couple of times, so I will go faster in this step. let this one move faster. It is based on your system state whether it's big or not. Okay, as I have experience to back up, it take about 15 or 30 minutes based on our system size. Yes, A1 now is 97%. It is almost finished. Now I will continue. Okay, continue until it finish. Okay, so everyone can see the setup whether it is a success or not for this backup. So my recommendation in your organization after you build file server, okay, and also Active Directory, I recommend everyone to first you need to do full backup, both system and a file server, and after that you need to do or you need to schedule backup, daily incremental backup. So in case some of information have missed and you want to get the data or information back, you can use recovery, okay, to get it back. So that is the backup, the purpose of the backup. Okay, most of organization they use tool like Vim backup and Verta backup because those softwares can help you to like make your file and make your system faster, but you need to spend a budget on that. If like your company is like SME or small medium enterprise, you can also use this solution, the backup from Microsoft. It is also help you in backup your file and your system. Okay, now let's finish everyone. Okay, it's almost finished. 99%. $100. Yeah, it was completed. The setup was completed, but it need to create the shadow copy for backup destination. At least 2 shadow. Okay, wait. Okay, now you see the backup here. Here is the today date, and they said the backup is successfully. So in case in the future you have problem with your Active Directory, you also recover. Just to recover and this, and then you select the net and click next and recover, so it will be get your data back. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this video useful. Thank you. See you in the next video.